Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Flair Airlines account. Here are the steps to create an account on the Flair Airlines web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and go to the Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. Once you get into the website, on the top right corner of the home page, click on the Sign In button. Then a new window will pop up with the option to sign in or create an account. So look for the option to register a new account and click on the register a new account button. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to the account registration page. Here, you need to fill in your personal details, which include your first name, last name, email address, phone number. Now, once you're done with that, create a strong password and re-enter it to confirm. Once you're done, review the terms and conditions in privacy policy. So the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. You may also be given an option to subscribe to Flair Airlines promotional emails. Check or uncheck this box depending on your preference. After filling out all the required fields, click on the Create Account button. Once you're done with that, you should receive a verification email from Flair Airlines. Then, open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Flair Airlines web app and log in using your email and password. Now, that's it. You can now access your account and manage bookings or view deals directly from the Flair Airlines web app. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.